is going on up here, because there was like 6 sheriff patrol cars following a car, and they were driving like really slow, and now they got the paramedics up here, so I'm thinking that it must have been like medical related. Oh, so they had to do an emergency stop, where they had to stop this car, so it had to have been something serious going on medically. Wow. I hope that person is okay. I knew it was something because they weren't driving fast. It was just like they were tailgating the person. And it's almost like they had to do what they had to do to stop this car. Wow. Happy Saturday, folks. I got my homebody club shirt on today because I'm definitely a homebody. Love to be at home whenever I can. What is going on? Okay, well, I gotta run to the bank before I run home because the ATM machine wasn't working right when I went on Thursday, and I was trying to send my nephew some money through Zelle, and that's the only bank account that I can send it through. Well, I can send it through my other account, but I don't really use it for anything, so I didn't want to, you know, start making paper trails there. So hopefully it's working today. If not, I don't know what to tell you. What is up, fam? Happy Tuesday. Getting ready to get this basement drywalled at the old house. Here's all the drywall that I need. So it's going to be this wall right here where my backpack is at, which I got to move that. And then this area right here is going to be drywalled. Yep, all that's going to finally be closed in. And then the rest of the walls is going to be painted white. Now, this is what I was going to do if I was going to be staying in this house. I was going to get the walls painted white, except for this wall was going to be pink with glitter. And then I was going to have the drywall, and then the ceilings were going to be painted as well. But I think he told me he was going to do the ceilings black for me, and this was going to be where the bakery was going to be held at. However, I didn't know that things were going to change and I was going to be moving. But nonetheless, I'm glad to know that this basement is finally going to look different. After living in this house for, is it 18 years this year? 18 years I've been here at this house. Yeah, 3 years after I got married, we bought this house. Yep. But anyhow, I'll be glad to see what it looks like. I'm just getting some video footage because this is actually going to be the last time I see this house looking like this. Or, well, this portion of the house anyway. And I am in the middle of doing cookie prep because I have cookie orders tomorrow, and I have to re-up on some cookies that I ran out of. Peanut butter, which is everybody's favorite. Y'all, the Biscoff cookie is taking off. Now, I don't know if it's because I posted my video with the Biscoff cheesecake, but any of my cookies taking off, that's a plus for me. But the Biscoff cookie, baby, it's about to be up there with the peanut butter cookie in a minute. But let me get back upstairs so I can finish doing what I need to do. I hope he got some tools because I don't have any tools here to take these screws out. Let me get this down too because he's painting these walls. Finally take this down. Put it there for now. But yeah, let me get on back upstairs, y'all, because he is on his way. And I don't want to be here longer than I need to be, because he's doing step 1 today, and then step 2 tomorrow would be to paint everything tomorrow. And I don't mind that I have to be here tomorrow, because I'm going to be here anyways, baking and everything. Alrighty, you guys, so he's all done, and the cement was definitely sucking up the paint. However, this is good enough. I'm not really expecting, or wasn't expecting, too much. I just wanted to get this portion of it painted so it could look a little more homier down here, since my dad is going to be spending a lot of time down here. This portion of it is done, and then the carpet cleaning guy will be here tomorrow to clean the rest of the carpet, and then I'll get everything back situated for my parents, so they can be ready to move in on Saturday. But yeah, I'll show you guys again once everything is kind of cleared out, because right now I got everything like pushed in the center just so he could get the painting portion done. But it looks good to me. I like it. Good morning, you guys. I'm starting my day off with washing clothes. I normally wash clothes on Wednesday. However, I had a long day at the old house yesterday, so I gotta start early this morning, because I do have to go back over to the old house today so the guy can come in and clean the carpet. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Just wanted to say hey fam, and I will see y'all on my next trip. dessert. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I know it's probably not a long video today. However, I have another video that is sponsored that I have to do for a company, power washing the back deck, and I got some help for that project. So, and real quickly, because I had to think about this, cookie orders start on Friday up until Monday. I prep on Tuesday, I bake on Wednesdays, and shipping is supposed to be on Thursday. However, if I can get my mother to help me, I can get the shipping done on the same day I bake, which is good for anybody who order cookies. So if you order cookies on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, you're not going to get your cookies until the following week. And I know somebody had left me a comment in the comment section saying that they didn't get their cookies for a whole entire week, when I try to make sure that everybody gets their cookies within 2 to 3 business days. The only people that gets their cookies within a time frame of 4 days is California, and I pay double just so California can get their cookies in 4 days. So just keep that in mind if you're placing a cookie order on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Cookie orders start on Friday up until Monday. I do apologize for anybody that paid for cookies after the fact, but I do send out emails and let you guys know that I can give you a refund if you don't want to wait. However, if you are reading the emails, I don't know, because I never get a response. And no one has asked for their money back when I did request to give the money back. So just wanted to put that out there because I got to put this on all my platforms just so people know how the cookie orders are set up and shipping. Alrighty, you guys, so before we end this video, for those of you that don't know, my name is Shauna. I just launched my first cookie business this past March. The name of my business is MsTweet's Treats. On my website, I have 20 different cookies, and I'm always adding new cookies to the menu. I take orders from Friday through Monday. I prep on Tuesday, and Wednesday, I bake and ship on the same day. So if you're interested in ordering cookies, just go to MsTweetTreats.com, and I'll see you guys on another video real soon. Bye. That is why